So the White Rabbit Studio add-on is for getting models into Armory, Substance, or Quixel Painters very quickly, very efficiently. Now there's actually an Adobe add-on, official one. More information on that one at the end of the video, so keep watching. So I've already got it installed, but there's a little thing you need to know. So let's go edit preferences, and I've already got it up here. You need to pick your version of Substance, because I'm going to use Substance because that's what I've got, and the file path, so the Steam application, so where the application is of Steam, not Substance, but Steam. And so what this is actually going to do is I'm going to select my Shippy McShip. Let's call it a ship, and we'll press enter there. From here, I select, I'm going to be using the Substance Painter. And then from here, I will go edit with Substance. So I've brought in Substance and created some materials already. And now we want to bring it back into Blender. I'm going to go File, Export Textures. I'm just going to go straight Export. Okay, save settings, good enough. Let's jump into Blender. And then from here, I'm going to go Sync Maps and Create Shaders. Let's then come up into our material preview, and there we go. It looks pretty much spot on from what we got in Substance. But Marco, what about the other Adobe add-on, the actual Adobe add-on? So that one's gaining access to the Substance 3D material library. There we go, got that one for the 4th time. There is a link in the description on that add-on, so if you want to check that one out. If you want to get this add-on, link in the description. Frank is shocked.